Hi, my name is John and I am the CEO of New York Trade Lines. Do you need access to a line of credit for your business to expand or to purchase inventories? Are you a real estate investor that needs a bank credit line to take advantage of the current low prices on foreclosure properties? As you already know, a business line of credit is the same as cash. It can allow you to do a lot and take advantage of great opportunities, if you have access to it. However, in today's business climate, it can be very difficult to secure capital from a bank unless you have the right banking connections or you are very liquid, have a lot of cash on hand. I could never understand this bank policy. If I have a lot of cash in the bank, then why would I need to borrow more from the bank? Bank loans should be for individuals in need. But this is how the rules are played in the banking world. Even though certain banks have decided to relax their lending hold, it can still be very difficult to qualify for a loan, unless you understand the process. Let us help you. As a former bank VP, I can help you secure a business bank credit line because of my experience and long-lasting banking relations. We work with many clients such as business owners, investors, developers, builders, financiers, etc. to help them secure the necessary capital for their projects. Our business model is simple. We can set up your existing US-based company with an active history of 2+ years with a business credit line up to $2 million. This process can take anywhere from 4-6 weeks. The cost will depend on the amount of the credit line. Or you can purchase an existing shelf corporation with an active bank credit line already in place. The credit line is active and can be used for any purpose, including purchasing real estate. No personal credit or collateral is required to purchase. Let me repeat, no personal credit or collateral is required. We are the real deal. Contact us today to purchase your shelf corporation with an active credit line already in place. The turnaround time for this method is 10-30 days. Now you can also purchase a CP and a credit profile number with credit. Just stop by www.nytradelines.com and look around.